everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your language on Asphalt 9 application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Asphalt 9 application on your device, and once you're inside the main home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right hand corner. Now, from the Game Options tab, go ahead and tap on Game Settings. Tap on the Language and Country option and then select the language of your choice from the left inside menu and simply tap on it. So now after you tap on the language option of your choice, you will be able to see the display language change immediately on your Asphalt 9 game. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.